What's up everyone, and welcome to today's video. And in today's video I'm going to talk about Chat GPT. So this video, it is basically an overview of Chat GPT in music production. It is not actually an in-depth video that will explain all the steps, but it is just like an overview of Chat GPT in music production. So that is what this video is all about. Let's get into the video. Now, what is Chat GPT? Chat GPT is an open AI source whereby it was developed by OpenAI in the month of November 2022, and this AI has been a very interactive AI for the past weeks, whereby millions of users have actually experimented on this AI and have seen good fruitful results from it. Now we are trying to experiment this AI to music. What can it do for music artists so that we can actually benefit from it even more? So that is why we are here in today's video, and I'm going to leave a link in the description below so that you can actually sign up for this AI source, whereby you can sign up and also actually create an account. Then you can actually start a chat with this AI. So right now this is the dashboard for the AI, and if you look at the hamburger menu right up on top of here, we have the clear conversation, dark mode, open AI, Discord, update and FAQ, and also logout. So you'll be introduced to this dashboard once you sign up. Below the dashboard we have a message bar whereby you can type your messages and send it to the AI, and the AI will actually analyze those messages and give you a tangible answers that will actually be seamless to your question. So right now let's ask the AI, how can we promote our music? How can I promote my music? So we ask the AI, how can we promote our music? So now the AI is actually listing out some type of method that we can use to actually promote our music, and most of this method I've actually highlighted in some of my previous videos, and it's actually the same thing the AI bringing out. So it is just like an overview of it. You can even go further and ask it a lot of questions that is in your mind about music. So let's ask it another question. Let's see, how can I create a good melody in music? So basically you're met with some type of errors, but what you do is you have to refresh your browser. Once you refresh your browser, that error will be gone, and it will ask you to check if the connection is secure. Once you check the connection is secure, it will bring you back to the chat. Then you can actually ask it a question. So let's say, how can we create a good melody? So I see that's in question. So it is actually load some tips in which you can follow so that you can create good melody in your music. So these are some tips that is being listed by the Chat GPT. So we have like up to going to 7 or going to 5 tips about it. So that is that about Chat GPT, and if you have any question, you can actually leave the question in the comment below. I will likely attend to those questions, and also make sure to subscribe if you like the information given in this video, and also click the thumbs up button. Thank you, and see you in the next video.